Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do Facebook marketing to increase the highest customer. This is for the owner of the bikes who has listed their bike on Facebook, sorry, on Book2wheel, and I'm going to show you how you can improve more bookings. So first of all, you go to your Facebook page and post like this is YZF-R1. So write about your bike details, and here below here the blue URL, copy from Book2wheel of your bike. So if somebody clicks on it, it will come to your bike, and put some pictures on it. I can give you an example. Let's say this will work same for your Facebook personal account. uh, Hashtag rent Yamaha FZR1 in Cebu City just for 100 PHP a day. Please visit. Paste. Now take a pictures of your bike. Done. Now people can see your picture, and here, sorry, this link is not the right link. You have to go to your home on Book2wheel, find a bike link. Let's say I want to do Yamaha YBR. Sorry, need to just copy the link of your bike. Here you can paste it. So if somebody click, it will be your bike comes up. Now next, publish. Now what is the most important thing is that we need to share this as possible onto different communities and pages. If you have your own pages, or copy this link here and go to your Facebook account, or you are already doing it on your Facebook account. Click here and look for your groups pages. If you have different pages, you can share on them, but most important are those groups, because a lot of people are selling and buying and doing those things. Click on see all your groups, and now you're going to copy paste one by one on here. Add more groups on your account, like which is related to business, like in Cebu, what are people selling, or depends on which island you live. Search by that. Post, paste the link here and publish. Now you can do this process with all the groups you have. Add more groups, like it should be more like traveling and tour things. That's because the market you are looking into it, and that's how you can get more booking for your bikes, to promote your own bikes. Thank you so much.